I win like $40 if we win.
Yeah.
And gifts and things like that.
All right.
Way to protect. PJ, take this shit. Don't jinx it.
Come on, Moss. Nice eye. Good eye. Come on, Moss. Nice eye. Nice eye. She's getting tired, huh?
I didn't even know that there was anyone on first. I couldn't see her behind the big tall girl. Oh, ooh. That hit the car.
Knock the dirt right out.
I don't know.
Girl.
Come on, Molly.
Oh!
Imagine if you're driving and that came out too, that's dangerous.
Whenever we put it right there, slow down.
Just in case.
Just in case. We put the fire station.
Where they are, when they go into those woods right there, that's actually Chelsea.
Come on, Molly.
Tiring
Make her pitch.
Oh yeah, Chelsea can do it, but it said Chelsea doesn't even. They're police department.
Really?
Yeah, it's not like that.
I thought within a radius of the line, like you still have jurisdiction.
Yeah, they can say something, but they don't.
Look at that huge dent in the car.
Is there a dent?
Come on, Molly.
It's like this. It's huge. It's like
Hold on.
Mom.
Good eye. Good eye.
Mom, see it?
Stay there, talk to them, like,
What?
That's on the ball?
Mom, it went this before, and now it's like.
Come on now, Moss. Come on, Molly.
Is that really 11 o'clock from the ball?
I know it.
Woo.
Got a thing in her head.
Oh.
That's
All right, PJ.
Come on, PJ.
Okay, good, check it off.
Come on, PJ. This could be big.
Come on, girls, let's hear it. Watch it.
Oof.
They swing.
Come on,
Good
PJ.
job. Come on, kid. Finish battle. Yes, sprint. No one's there. Sprint.
Wouldn't it? That would be lovely.
Come on, PJ. Nice eye. Good eye.
Come on, P.
All right, PJ, here we go, kids.
Come on, PJ.
Come on, 7.
He's better than that.
All right, PJ, here we go.
Once she didn't swing, he kind of let go.
All right, let's shut it down now.